many, many, meaning a large number of or a lot of. Many people bought tickets for the concert. I've met him so many times and I still can't remember his name. More, more, meaning a larger or extra number or amount. The doctors can't cope with any more patients. It was 100 times more fun than I'd expected. Most, most, meaning the biggest number or amount of, more than anything or anyone else. What do you spend most of your time doing? What's the most you've ever won at poker? Much, much, meaning a large amount or to a large degree. How much do these shoes cost? I don't think there's much to be gained by catching an earlier flight. Few, few, meaning some or a small number of something. There are a few slices of cake left over from the party. For a few seconds, nobody said anything. Least, least, meaning less than anything or anyone else, the smallest amount or number. The least said, the better. It was the answer she least wanted to hear.